Alright, we'll work on the causal body. Causal body is what we call in Sanskrit Karana Sarira. Means deep sleep state. What you experience in the deep sleep state is Karana Sarira. What you actually experience in the deep sleep, tell me, ma.
Do I experience the deep sleep?
And then, one by one. Anything else?
Rest.
Rest, then
Peace.
peace, then
Dream.
no. Dreams are not deep sleep. Who said dream? I think you are dreaming now. Then
Okay, the part of the body, consciousness.
Important thing, darkness. When you come back from the deep sleep, and if you are asked what you experienced, what do you say? Deep darkness, nothing. Darkness covered by darkness. Now we are going to fall into the same causal body consciously. One more thing, when you die, when you leave the body, usually people are caught in this causal body. Actually in the causal body no pain will be there, no problem will be there. But just you will be stuck. Hundreds of years you will be wasting in this causal body without taking the next janma. People are stuck in this layer. They spend even 2000, 3000 years getting stuck in that layer. It's like a big dark ocean. You will be just traveling. Now we are going to consciously drill that body. Means consciously we are going to drop into that body. So that when you leave the body, you will not be caught in that layer. You will have a torch. You will have conscious torch to guide you, to liberate you, to help you. All you need to do is only one simple thing. You have to fall asleep without dropping your head. No, it is possible. Don't think it is not possible. It is possible. You see, when you, usually your consciousness stays in Anya. When you dream, it goes to Vishuddhi. When you fall into deep sleep, it goes to Anagata. Now, straight away it should fall into Anagata. It should not go through Vishuddhi. Means you should not go through dreams. You should not fall unconscious, then falling into deep sleep. No, that is not allowed. You should straight away fall into that deep sleep. Only one method is, you will sit straight. You will not allow the neck to fall and meditate on the darkness, means the deep sleep. Now you will meditate on deep sleep state. You automatically will fall into deep sleep because the jama has come already. That's why I was delaying that Ardha Jama. Ardha Jama means, what do you call in English? English no word is there, Ardha Jama.
Midnight.
No, it's a beautiful technical term. Ardha Jama, don't think it is a word used only for the midnight. It's an energy. The time in which your whole being, what to say that? You see, like there's a screen projector. Big screen is there. You project. Once the show is over, you roll the screen and go into it. You roll the screen and pack it. Same way, now you have seen the whole drama of the world for more than 12-13 hours. You are tired. You rewind the whole screen, pack the whole screen and put it inside. That is what is meant by the word Ardha Jama. Means the time to pack up. You understand? Don't think Ardha Jama means midnight. In Sanskrit, Ardha Jama means the time to pack up. The time to reduce everything into your being. First you project and see. The moment you get up from the bed, you project and see the whole drama. Do the whole show. Now it is time, rewind the whole thing, retrieve the whole thing and put it inside. That is what is meant by the word, Sanskrit word Ardha Jama. Now it is time Already the Ardhajama time has come. Automatically you will fall asleep. There is no need to do anything to fall asleep. All you need to do is do it consciously. A small twist. See, the road to the conscious and unconscious is one and the same. Only one small diversion. Only one small signboard. If you go in this way, unconsciousness. If you just slip into this way, consciousness. But the travel is one and the same. Travel is one and the same. You understand what I mean? All you are going to do is, you are going to fall asleep without falling into dreams. Usually you always fall into deep sleep only through dreams. You go via dreams only. You will have few dreams, then you will fall asleep. Now, you are supposed to fall asleep without falling into dream. And I tell you one thing, this technique is so intense, so powerful and so beautiful. Anybody who is using the tablets for sleep, what do you call? Sleeping tablets? Anybody? If you are using the sleeping tablet, do this meditation only once successfully. Simply the problem will disappear. I have seen hundreds of people dropping sleeping tablets. Simply they drop. There is no need. There are so many case histories. All you need to do is, see, any problem related to sleep will disappear. If you are anybody chronic fatigue, even if you sleep 10 hours, you will be tired of taking rest. That type of troubles, all these things will simply disappear.